The video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the browser hijacker that is called GPT Search Navigator. This is the unwanted browser extension that actually operates as a browser hijacker. Once it gets installed, it may change a lot of crucial browser settings without the user's permission. In particular, when you submit some search queries, you may eventually notice that the results are sometimes delivered by some other fake search engines not chosen by you initially. So this is all happening because of this extension, GPT Search Navigator. We recommend you to be very careful and to get rid of it immediately by accessing the menu, More Tools, Extensions. Then disable and remove this extension if you find it on the list. To be convinced that the system is free of any other possibly hidden threats, we recommend that you carefully examine your computer with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and once it gets installed, start researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.